To place a call using the Grandstream 2135 IP phone, pick up the handset and dial your destination number using 10 digits. Initiate the dial by pressing the pound key on the keypad. The call will be placed, and once answered and connected, the timer on the display will start. You will also see the number dialed displayed on the display. At any time during the call, you may press the speakerphone button to switch to speakerphone. Please note that you may hang the handset up during a speakerphone call, and the call will remain active. You can also pick the handset up to switch back to handset mode and into speakerphone mode. To end the call, simply press the end call key or hang up the handset. The display will return to its standard view.